Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miriam Maulana. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for joining me today. If you're an oldie but a goodie, you know I love you, I appreciate you. In today's video, I am going to be bringing you guys this braided ponytail, sleeked really low. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. So to start off, I'm going to do two side partings, and they're going to go all the way straight back to the half of my head. Once I have those two partings straighten out, I'm going to go in with my crocodile clips, and I'm going to make sure that my hair is sectioned out of the way. I'm now going to do a deep side part that allows me to do a cornrow all the way from my hairline down to the center of my head. Once I'm done doing that, I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side of my head, because we want to create two cornrows on each side of the center parting. I hope you can just see that from the video. There's no other way to explain that. I'm going to be going in with my Isoplus Edge Control Gel. What I've realized about cornrowing with Isoplus Edge Control Gel is it allows your cornrows to look super neat. Like, it looks like you've applied way more tension when you actually haven't. You could have the loosest cornrow and it will still look sleeked and sleeked down really well. So I really love that about using Isoplus or any other edge control that you might like or that works for your natural hair. So I start off by braiding the front, or cornrowing the front without a braid, and then I add a braid as I go. This makes sure that I don't have too much tension on my hairline. I get so many questions about this when people see me cornrowing my hair. The last thing that you want to do is to create tension. No tension and no breakage. Okay, so now we're going to go back to that hair that we left right in the center of the two cornrows, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to be sectioning in like half moons. You can go triangular, you can go diamond shapes, you can go squares, whatever you like. This is just to create a funny, funky middle section. So I'm going to go into those sections, and I'm going to be creating half moons and then following it up with my Molly braid, and I'm just going to African thread that center. Small sections. I think I did about 6, which is 3 on each side, so to speak. And then again, you're just going to flat twist that together and rubber band at the end. Once you've secured your cornrows and your African threaded sections, you're just going to spritz your hair with the water before applying gel. This ensures that your hair is manageable and pliable. You don't want to work on dry hair because you don't want to be damaging your ends as you go. So what we're going to do is we're going to apply our Ecostyler Gel, and then after that we're just going to swoop and swoosh these edges into compliance. And once we're done doing that, we are now going to just wait for our hair to dry. You can do this before you go to bed and then wait for it overnight. I'm now going to go in with Kanekalone hair, and I'm just going to apply a scrunchie, and after applying a scrunchie, I am going to apply that Kanekalone hair onto my ponytail. I'm now going to twist the smaller side of my applied Kanekalone hair and apply it to my ponytail using a rubber band. After I'm done doing that, I'm going to go in with my better length extensions, because just clipping them in is so much easier. However, you can go in with any other synthetic weave or curly hair that you have. You just wrap it around the ponytail, and after you're done wrapping it around the ponytail, you're going to go in with either bobby pins, or you can sew it in depending on how long you want to keep the style. After I'm done doing that, I'm now going to braid the longer side of my Kanekalone hair and create 3 equal braids, and then I'm going to use those braids to just wrap around the shaft or the length of my ponytail, like halfway down or 3/4 down, because you want it to be braided, but you also want to leave the puffy bit of your hair out. And then that's just it, guys. That is the simplest way to get this styled. After you're done doing that, I'm just going to add a little bit of gold, because all that glitters is gold. Jokes. Anyway, and that's it for our hairstyle, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate you guys so much. Don't forget to comment on this video, like the video, share the video with your friends, but definitely comment down below. I appreciate you. Mwah! Bye.